I usually have a meeting first with the homeowner, and we go through and we brainstorm. And then I'll come in with some of my project managers and we'll work over what my ideas were to see if they agree with that or if they have any new suggestions that maybe I didn't think of. Okay, I like that. Because the idea was they wanted a patio, they wanted a walkway, and they wanted that kind of feel. And when you got the homeowner there and you have 3 or 4 people with their own opinions, it can be very like, okay, well, who's right, who's wrong, whatever. So we need to brainstorm first, come to an agreed upon plan that is the best solution for the homeowner, and then represent it to them. So everything we talked about is on point. One of the things the guys are bringing up, they like the idea of squaring this off to give you more of that patio that you're looking for. Because with the stairs coming down the middle, like you've had them before,
They take it up.
yeah, this is all you got left. All of this is like non-usable because you got the stairs there.
All right.
Yeah, 'cause it
So
looks big now.
just squaring this off will increase that patio feel you were looking for.
All right.
Okay.
And then you still get the walkway.
Slate
Okay,
with the poles and trim.
okay. So Pat likes it up against the house.
He's happy.
That'll be cheaper than building a platform, because this is the platform, it's extra rails and extra footing, so that's
Right.
what keep the cost down if we keep it up against the house. And do you want them all to be the same size, or do you like the variable widths? Like, do you like that it's variable widths? It's gonna block the window.
Yeah. I know.
That's just a laundry room.
Okay, well then I would say that's the most cost-effective solution to give you the most square footage.
All right. All right.
Love this home makeover and want to see more like it? Click to subscribe now.